Hi, we are Healthwatch Lincolnshire. As the consumer champion for health and social care in Lincolnshire, the public is at the heart of what we do. Together with service providers, commissioners, patients, service users and regulators, we continue to improve treatment and care locally. Here are some highlights from our 2018 to 2019 year.
We've had a fantastic year with face-to-face engagement in the community, with 2,999 people sharing their health and social care experiences and views with us. Over the year, we have engaged in total with 8,445 people and published 539 reports. These reports are sent to individual providers as well as health and social care leaders to tell them what you think of health and social care services in Lincolnshire. In doing so, we raised 638 questions, suggestions and recommendations. We received 729 provider and commissioner responses. These responses were shared with people, often giving them the much needed answers to questions that were important to them.
We visited over 220 services and community events which helped us understand people's experiences of care. Our staff and volunteers visited over 100 groups. We would like you to tell us about others so that we can visit and speak with more people.
Finding the right care or support can be worrying and stressful. There are a number of organisations that can help provide this, but people just don't know where to look. Last year, we helped 1,933 patients access the advice and information they needed. You can come to us for signposting, advice and information in a number of ways, including over the phone, use our feedback form, raise your concerns with our volunteers out in the community, through the website, email, letter or in person.
Our Enter and View activity has taken on a new lease of life, with more work being done with commissioners and regulators, such as the Care Quality Commission, the Clinical Commissioning Groups and Lincolnshire County Council. This has provided a coordinated approach to how we deliver patient and carer feedback, and we hear that this approach adds real value and is effective for providers as well as the statutory bodies in influencing change.
Over the past year, our 40 volunteers have contributed an incredible 2,233 hours. We would like to thank them all for their hard work. We wouldn't be able to make improvements in local health and care services without the support of our dedicated volunteers that work with us to help us make care better for their communities. Thanks to the mystery shopper work in Lincolnshire hospitals carried out by Healthwatch Lincolnshire volunteers, improvements to ward standards. We are currently working with the Hospital Trust to look at how this work can be developed. Discussions are also taking place for a similar approach in commissioned care and support services.
As well as being out in the county, we have also had an impact digitally. Our website has had over 48,000 page views, and our Facebook page has reached over 153,044 people.
But that's not all. In January, we attended a Healthwatch parliamentary reception where we raised local health and social care issues. And in autumn of 2018, we invited Lincolnshire people to tell us which services are important to them. 561 people voted, and the results determined our project activities for 2019 to 2021.
As a result, we have started project work around stroke to work too. These include
Our work with the Gypsy traveller communities identified a number of health issues they were experiencing, and as a result, these issues are now being addressed by commissioners and providers, and the communities receiving a more equitable service.
We have raised the profile of GP patient removal, and as a direct result, the LMC, the Lincolnshire Medical Committee, and NHS England have worked together to share good practice with GPs in Lincolnshire. In turn, we have committed to share patient messages through the GP roadshows.
Our 2020 Vision event gave Lincolnshire residents the opportunity to come and meet, listen and question the 5 senior county NHS leaders, where over 100 people attended. That's just a quick overview of our year. We hope to check out our full annual report on our website. Thank you, your voice counts, and with you we can make a difference.